Open the top cover. Allow the machine to cool for 10 minutes. Remove the drum and toner assembly and place it on scrap paper. Be careful not to touch the surface of the roller. Press the green lock lever to separate the drum and toner. Remove the replacement toner from the packaging. Remove the orange protective guard. Insert the toner into the drum module. Listen for the lever to click. Slide the green handle back and forth 2 times to clean the corona wire. Reinstall the drum and toner unit into the machine. Close the top cover. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.